Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group. For this, first of all, we want to open Facebook. Just click on Facebook. After clicking, Facebook will start to open in front of you. Once Facebook is open, here we will see how we can create a group in Facebook. For this, just go to the bottom of your mobile screen. Then you will see a menu button. Click on it. After clicking, the menu section will open in front of you. Once the menu section is open, here you will see there are a lot of options available right here. But we want to open the section of groups. So, go to the middle of your mobile screen. Then you will see a button for groups. Click on it. After clicking, that format will open in front of you. Once it's open, go to the upper right corner of your mobile screen. Then you will see a plus button. Click on it. After clicking, a small format will appear from the bottom of your mobile screen where you can see there are two options: create a group or create a post. But we will click on create a group. After clicking, the create group option will open in front of you. Here, we will just type the name of our group. After typing the name of the group and below that name, you will see a section of privacy. Click on it. After clicking, a small format will appear below where Facebook is asking if you want to make your group public or private. We will click on public. After clicking on public, just click on the done button. After clicking on done, just click on the button located at the bottom of your mobile screen, create group. Click on it. After clicking, loading will start in front of you and the kind of format will open in front of you. Here, you can see our group is almost created. But you can see at the top of your mobile screen, there's a button to share the group. You can easily share your group with your friends and your relatives. And then, below that, you can easily search for people right here. You can easily add someone right here. So, go to the upper right corner of your mobile screen. Then you will see a button for next. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. Here, we will just upload the photo of your group. After uploading, go to the bottom of your mobile screen and click on next. After that, write the description of your group. After that, again, go to the bottom of your screen and click next. And then, it is asking if you can create a post, which means your first post of that group. After that, click the content button. After clicking on done, that kind of format will open to you. Here, you can see this is your group and you can add somebody, anyone, right here. That's the way to create a group on Facebook.